Hello everyone, I'm Becky with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you what's inside the Ultimate Thread Guide. Thread holds our projects together, which is why it is so important to choose the right thread for the job at hand. Inside this book, you will find information on the attributes of thread that need to be considered to help you to choose the right thread for any job. So there's information on thread types, spun thread versus continuous filament, and so on. There's information on the fibers that make up thread, and that's a really important section. Even though the information is short and easy to read, it gives you what you need to know to help you choose the best thread for, say, a quilt, or for quilting, or for garment making, project making, and so on. And it's not that there's any one perfect thread for any job. There are multiple choices, and this book gives you the information so that you can make the choices you want when you make your own projects. There's an important section on thread weight, which is a much misunderstood topic. The information here tells you 3 of the major classification systems that are currently used by the different manufacturers. What it boils down to is that those numbers on the spools do not necessarily indicate the same thing from spool to spool. We choose different kinds of thread for different tasks. You would use a different thread for invisible hand applique than you would for general sewing or for embroidery or machine quilting. And the manufacturers have provided us with a wondrous array of threads to choose from. Once you decide the look you want, you can find a thread to provide that look. There's a section in the book about needles, both machine needles and hand needles, because it's important to match the thread with the correct needle to get good results when you sew. There's a section on how thread is made, which is pretty interesting. And there's a section in the book on thread manufacturers. I've listed all of the main manufacturers of thread that we would find available to us. In addition to a verbal description of the different threads they offer, there's a chart that accompanies each one that also lists fiber, weight and/or ply, the different kinds of uses that are suggested by the manufacturer for each individual thread, and needle sizes where the manufacturer provided suggested needle sizes. There's a lot of information packed into these 64 pages. It is a quick and interesting read, and there's pretty pictures sprinkled all the way through. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's inside the Ultimate Thread Guide, and I do hope you find this to be an incredibly helpful reference tool. May you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.